Welcome back. In today's video, we will discuss about AVL tree deletion cases, like how we can do a deletion in AVL tree. Okay. Now, basically, it follows the deletion strategy of the binary search tree. Means all the three cases we have of the binary search tree, same strategy will be used for deleting a particular element or a node in a AVL tree. But once you delete a node, as per the deletion strategy, it have a possibility that it may cause the violation of the AVL tree property. In that case, once AVL tree property has been violated, you have to restore the properties. Like you have to restore the destroyed balance condition if needed. For example, if you see here, suppose I want to delete this node 5. Till this moment, it is an AVL tree without any problem. But once I delete this node 5, since it has a 0 child, I can directly delete it. Then see here, the problem would be this particular node. The balance factor of this node will be disturbed. Then we have to do a single rotation. See, every time a single rotation is sufficient to restore the whatever the balance condition has been violated. So only a single rotation has to be done. So we'll try to understand what are the different kinds of the rotations we have to apply and what are the possible cases. Now, for deletion, after the rotation, we need to continue tracing the upward to see AVL tree properties violated at other node. Means from the deletion point, we'll keep on looking to the in upward direction to see if an AVL tree property is violated at other node. Different rotations are classified as R0, R1 and R-1, L0, L1 and L-1. See, once you have deleted, we will continue to check up here. You can see also, oops, the node 20 is unbalanced now. You have applied a rotation, but still node 20 is unbalanced. Then again you have to apply a rotation. So that is the case. So now there are certain different rotations that we have to see. An element can be deleted from AVL tree, which may change the balance factor of a node such that it results in unbalanced tree. So obviously, whenever you will delete an element from AVL tree, it have a possibility that it will change the balance factor of a node such that it becomes an unbalanced tree. Some rotations will be applied in AVL tree to balance it. We will again apply with some rotations. See, R rotation and L rotation. We have two types of rotation. R rotation is applied if the deleted node is in the right subtree of node A. I am repeating this. R rotation is applied if the deleted node is in the right subtree of node A. Means you are deleting from right subtree, then rotation R will be applied, and A is the node with the balance factor. So I have to find the balance factor of that node, that is 0, 1 or minus 1. So that in this case it will become R0, R1 and R minus 1. Three cases. Now L rotation will be applied if the deleted node is the left subtree of the node A. So left subtree and the right subtree. If you are deleting in the left subtree, it is L rotation. If you are trying to delete in the R right subtree, it should be the R rotation. Now suppose we want to suppose we have deleted node X from the tree. Suppose I have deleted. A is the closest ancestor node of the path X to the root node. The balance factor -2 or +2. See, from that particular closest ancestor, keep finding the ancestor to the root node on that path. From suppose you have deleted a particular point, from there continue looking into the ancestor until till the root node with a balance factor of -2 or +2 to a particular node where the balance factor has been disturbed. B is the descendant of a node A on the opposite subtree of the deleted node. So just find the opposite. You will see with an example what I am trying to say here is B is a descendant node A on the opposite subtree of deleted node. That is, if the deleted node is on the left side of the B, the descendant on the right subtree of A or the roots of the right subtree of. You have to find the descendant on the right hand side. If you are deleting in the left, you have to find the operation on the right hand side. Okay, we'll see with an example for better clarity. These are the rotations, and their needful rotations also. See, L rotation is applied to make the thing simpler from here. L rotation is applied whenever the deleted node is in the left subtree of node A. See, if you are trying to delete something in the left subtree, what are the possible rotation? If L0, L minus 1 and L1. What it means here, see, on which whatever the particular node you will find the problem, whatever, just go to the right hand side, just find the right descendant of that particular node, because you are deleting in the left, you have to find the right descendant or the right child to be precise. L0 will apply RR rotation, L minus 1 will again apply RR rotation, and L1 will apply RL rotation. How? We'll see with all the cases. Let me consider the LO rotation. First, suppose in this given this particular AVL tree, I want to delete this node 35. Okay, I want to delete this node 35. Fine, I will delete it. Now currently what is the balance factor here? Let me figure out. It is 0, that is plus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, and it is 2 minus 1. Okay, so it is, everything is fine here, that is 0 to be precise. So this is the balance factor, everything is fine, rest of the nodes seems fine without any issue. Now in this case, suppose I want to delete 35, I deleted. Okay, so I am deleting what? 40 I am deleting here. Once I have deleted 40 here, it is 40 not 35. Suppose I am deleting this node 40 here. Okay, once I deleted 40, since it has one child only, since 40 has one child, the grandparent will take care. Now see this, here it is 0 now, and then here it is like what? 1 and 3, that is minus 2. Find the right descendant or the balance factor of the right descendant or the right child, immediate right child. What is the balance factor? It is 0. Okay, the balance factor is here is a 0. This means you have to see, you have done the deletion in where? Left, so that is L. What is the balance factor? 0, so L0. In this way actually the rotations come, that is the L0 rotation. I am repeating again for you, let me do it once again for a better clarity here. I have deleted 40, I have deleted 40, 40 has one child, so the grandparent 42 will take care of 35, okay fine. Now once I have deleted 40, the balance factor is now in this case 0, and it is 1, it is 3, so 0, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Find the right child or the right descendant. Who is the right child? 94. What is the balance factor? 0. So if deleted in left subtree, and what is the balance factor of the right descendant? 0. So L0 rotation required. For L0, from the node where you have the problem, find, you have to apply RR rotation. So RR will be required, and everybody knows how to apply the RR. It should be the anti-clockwise rotation. So this would be the final tree after the deletion. Okay, so that is L0. Now suppose, let me do the L minus 1. See here, what is the balance factor? Let me figure out. It is 0, it is plus 1, it is 2, it is 3, minus 1. It is 0, it is plus 1, it is minus 1. It should be what? 1 and 2 is also minus 1. Now after this, suppose I want to delete 3, then 3 can be deleted directly because it has 0 child. Now after the deletion, see the what changes in the balance factor. It is 0 now, it is 1, it is 3, minus 2. Now it is actually, this node is actually getting now valid. Fine, see, I am deleting in the left subtree, the L. Find the right child, or better to call as a sibling of 4 or the descendant of the node where you have a violation. Descendant of the node where you got the violation, 84 node has a violation, who is the descendant, immediate descendant. 96, what is the balance factor? -1. In this case, I have to apply as a, it is L minus 1 rotation. It is clear now. If we have L minus 1 rotation, we have to apply RR. We already know for L0 and L minus 1, we have to apply RR rotation. So apply the RR here. Once you apply the RR, it will be go into the anti-clockwise direction, and this would be the final tree after the deletion, and AVL property has been restored. Now come to L1. Now, what is the balance factor? Let me find some of the balance factors. 0 plus 1 should be 2. It should be 1, 2, 3. So -1. What should be the balance factor here? 1 and 2. This one. This should be the balance factor. Fine. Up to here, everything seems fine. Now somebody, we want to delete 3. But the 3 has how many children? 0 children. So it can be deleted directly. Now after the deletion, see the balance factor changes. 0, it is 1, it is 3, -2. The right descendant. You're deleting in the left, so you have to find in the right descendant. That is, what is the balance factor? 1. Apply L1 rotation. L1 rotation has to be applied. For L1, we have to do RL. If you apply the RL rotation, this would be the answer of the tree after the rotation. So in this case, that is L0 and L1 and L minus 1. For L0 and L minus 1, we have to apply RR rotation, but for L1, we have to apply RL rotation. That you have to understand. Come to the R rotation. Now when R rotation will be applied whenever I am deleting a node in the right subtree of node A. Till this moment we are in the L rotation, we are deleting in the left subtree. Whenever it is R rotation, we will try to delete the node in the right subtree of node A. There are 3 different types of the rotations based on the balance factor of the node B. So what are they? R0, R1 and R minus 1. For R0 rotation, we have to apply LL rotation. Okay. For R0, we have to apply LL. For R1, we have to apply LL rotation, and for R minus 1, we will apply LR rotation. Now, consider this particular given example. I want to delete 72. 72 is present in the right subtree. Okay. Once the 72 will be deleted, see here. Suppose I want to delete 72. I deleted 72 here. Because the balance factors are already given. See here, this node is getting violated. This node. Deletion in R, so R. This node is getting violated. Who is the right? You are deleting in the right. So is the left descendant. Since you are deleting in the right, you will find the left descendant here. What is the balance factor in the left descendant? 0. So apply R0 rotation. Apply the R0. What the R0 says, LL rotation is required. Apply the LL rotation. This would be the answer. Once you applied the LL rotation. Simple. So hopefully this thing is clear. Now again R1. Suppose I want to delete 72. Suppose I want to delete 72 here. So once I delete this, these are the balance factor, and this node is actually getting violated. It is now 2, and that should not be, that is not allowed. Since you have deleted in the right, it is an R rotation. R. Find the balance factor of the left descendant node. From which node you are getting the violation? 45. Who is the left descendant? 36. What is the balance factor? 1. So apply the R1 rotation. R1 rotation will be required. How to apply R1 rotation? LL. Whenever it is an R1 rotation required, you have to actually apply LL rotation. So LL rotation will be applied. Once you apply the LL, this will be the final answer. Come to the R minus 1. Now R minus 1 rotation is required. Whenever the, suppose you are deleting in the left, you are deleting in the right subtree. So obviously, from which of the node you are getting a violation, find the left descendant balance factor, immediate left descendant. So you are deleting 72 here, fine, I deleted 72. Once the 72 has been deleted, I will find the balance factor to the root. From here to here I will find the balance factor. In that case, where is the problem? At this node we are getting a violation, this node. Once you are getting a violation, find the balance factor of left descendant node. or the left child, immediate left child, that is what, minus 1. So R, you are deleting in the right subtree, so R, what is the balance factor of the left descendant or the left child, that is a R minus 1. Apply the LR rotation, see here, apply the LR. So once you apply the LR rotation, this would be the final tree. Okay, so that is all about the deletion cases in the AVL. We have R and L rotations. L rotations are applied whenever you're deleting in the left subtree, and R rotations are required whenever you're deleting something in R right subtree. We have L0, L1 and L minus 1. Similarly, R0, R1 and R minus 1. Depending on the balance factor of the node, or a node that is the right descendant or the left descendant of the node as per the case you have, and the node you are getting the violation. So we have seen this. Thank you for your time. Thank you.